In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see elevations in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a hike, checking the grade of a road, or just curious about the lay of the land, Google Maps has a built-in terrain view that makes reading elevation straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening Google Maps in your web browser. You can go directly to maps.google.com and it will load the familiar map of your current area. If you'd like to explore another place, use the search bar at the top to jump there first so you can focus on the exact location you care about. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the map for the layers icon. It looks like a small stack of squares. Click it to open the layers panel. This panel controls how the map is displayed and it's where the terrain view lives. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure the map isn't in full screen mode or zoom out slightly so the control becomes visible. In the layers panel, choose terrain. Selecting terrain adds topographic information to your map, including contour lines and shaded relief. This is the key view for understanding elevations. If the lines don't appear immediately, don't worry. That often just means you need to adjust the zoom. Zoom in on the area you want to examine. Use your mouse scroll wheel, the plus and minus buttons on the screen, or your trackpad pinch gesture. Elevation detail becomes much clearer as you zoom closer. If you're too far out, the map may simplify the contours. If you're too close, you might lose broader context. Aim for a level where you can see several labelled lines across your area of interest. Now, observe the contour lines and shaded relief. Closely spaced lines indicate steeper terrain, like cliffs or sharp hillsides. Wider spacing means gentler slopes. You'll often notice darker, thicker lines with numbers. Those are index contours, and their labels show the elevation at that line. Lighter lines between them represent regular intervals. Shaded relief helps your eye read shape. Darker shadows typically suggest lower or shaded areas, while lighter slopes face the light. Move your mouse over points on the map to read terrain more precisely. Pause where lines are labelled to catch the elevation number, and follow the lines to see how the land rises or falls. Check the scale bar in the corner to estimate distances, and note that units may appear in meters or feet depending on your settings. If details seem sparse, try another zoom level or pan slightly. Data density varies by location. That's it, simple, visual, and powerful for understanding elevation in Google Maps.